What's going on, guys? Nick here at Exotic Motorsports in Oklahoma, and today we have a beautiful 2016 BMW X5M. It does have some bolt-ons. We'll put the full build list on our website, but for now we're going to do a quick visual condition report on this, starting with the front right wheel. And we do have a gash here and some curb rash. Some of it has been touched up, other pieces have not. Looking at the fender, we have a really minor scuff right there. The rest of that fender looks good. We have a couple imperfections on the side mirror, a few little scratches. Got 3 rock chips here that have been touched up. 2 small ones there. The rest of that pillar looks good. And then looking at the door here, you have a rock chip there, and those have been touched up. And we have 2 scratches right there. Couple more chips here. Got a chip right there. 2 chips here, and those have been touched up. Got a couple down here that have not been touched up. Small scuff. Another scuff there. Got a little scratch on the pillar. This does catch my nail. You have a scratch right here on the back right door. And looking at this flare, you're going to see some rock chips peppered throughout. Quarter panel looks good. Here on this wheel, you have some minor curb rash on just a few spots. Then looking at the front end, starting with the hood, you're going to see some rock chips. Some of them have been touched up, others have not. Got a few here on the upper side. I see a couple more up there. And of course you're going to have a few here on the front bumper and some rock impacts where they just put little indentions in it. Got the gloss black grills. Those look really good. Some minor curb rash right here. Looking at the engine bay, all of this looks really good. Nice and clean. Like I said, it has bolt-ons, and so we will put the build list on the website. Then looking at this fender, overall looks really good. Looks like it had some curb rash here that has been touched up. The rest of the wheel looks good. Got a couple spots on the side mirror where bugs kind of etched the paint. Driver door looks good. Got a scratch here. It barely catches my nail. And of course the fender flare has some rock chips kind of peppered throughout. A couple spots in the paint from bugs. This wheel has some curb rash over here and a little down there. And then here on the back bumper, that looks good. You got the exhaust. Got a small chip right there. A couple small scuffs. We have some damage down here. It looks like something grazed the paint there. So you can see some cracking. Then here in the cargo area, you have some scuffs on the plastic. You can see a section of the carpet is missing right there. And then there's some scuffs and scratches on the back of the seats. Checking out the interior, it is a non-smoker. Now we do have some wear here on this upper section. That carbon piece looks good. All these buttons look nice. A couple creases, a few scuffs. Lower section looks good. Got a couple scratches here. Kick plate area looks nice. Floor mat looks good. Now we do have some wear on the seats. A little bit of wear on the piping. Couple scuffs. I don't see any rips or tears though. The steering wheel is a little shiny. It has some scratches throughout. They're all very minor. All of this looks really good though. Here on the back left door panel, we have a gash here, some scratches, a little bit of wear on the handle. Floor mats look good. Got a scratch right here. A couple scuffs. A few indentions. Otherwise, that looks good. Here on the front right door panel, got the carbon, and that looks good. A couple scuffs on the upper side. And then you can see some gashes on the handle here. That lower section looks good. Kick plate area is clean. Floor mats look nice. Now we do have some wear on these seats. Little indentions here and there. A couple scuffs and scratches. I don't see any rips though. A little scratch right here. A little bit of wear on this armrest. This section looks nice. All this carbon looks good. I'll have to show you on the other side of the window here, but you can see the dash is separating right there. It's not visible from inside the car though. Here on the back right door panel, you have some scuffs and scratches. A little bit of wear. Kick plate area looks good. Seat backs look nice. They're heated with your climate control back here. You can see two indentions right here, probably like a car seat was sitting on it. Some scratches. A little bit of wear and some scuffs in here.